Hello everyone and welcome to the Problem Solving Program where we solve problems better. Episode number 5, and today we're doing a Year 7 maths question with everyone's favourites of fractions. So let's get into it. Clarify the question. Kent has a recipe for a salad dressing that uses 12 spoons of oil and 3 spoons of vinegar. Kent decides, let's just highlight the key elements there, 12, 3. Kent decides to use 2/3 of the amount of oil but the same amount of vinegar. What fraction of Kent's dressing will be vinegar? What fraction? Okay, so there's two parts here, and that's what we need to work out. So the first thing we need to work out is what is 2/3 of 12 spoons? Because originally it has 12 spoons, and he is going to do 2/3 of that. So how do we work out 2/3 of 12? Well, the easiest way we can do it is by multiplying the fractions. So 2/3 multiplied by 12 over 1. Oops, I forgot a step where we choose and use our appropriate strategy. Because it is just using fractions, the strategy we're going to use today is going to be solving a simpler problem first. So it's clear that we have to do two things. We have to find 2/3 of the oil, and then we need to find the fraction of the overall dressing at the end. So the strategy we're using is solving a simpler problem first. So where was I? 2/3 times 12 over 1 is going to be equal to 24 over 3, which is going to be equal to 8. So he is going to use 8 spoons of oil instead of 12. Okay, so if we mix that back in, so we have 8 spoons of oil, 8 oil, we still have 3 of vinegar. Okay, so now we need to work out the second part of the question, which is what fraction of Kent's dressing will be vinegar. Okay, so there's going to be 3 units of vinegar, 3 units over something. Now it might be really easy and really quick to go, well obviously that's going to be 3 over 8. However, the problem here is it's not 3 spoons of a total of 8 spoons. The total number of spoons of everything, not just oil and vinegar, is going to be 11. Okay, so 3/8 is an answer, and that's how it appears. Okay, on the other from the other perspective, if we have 11 spoons total, what fraction of Kent's dressing will be vinegar? Okay, well it'd be 3 over 11, which would also be an answer, which is A. So let's just check what we've done. We have found 2/3 of 12, which we found was 8. Happy with that. Then we've solved the second part of the problem, which was finding how much vinegar would be. The total would be with the fraction of the vinegar in total, which would not be 3 over 8, which would be 3 over 8 plus 3, the total number of spoons, which would be 3 over 11. And to conclude, in this case, again, multiple choice, we just highlight the answer. However, if we were to answer in sentence form, the same as the question was asked, we would say the fraction of Kent's dressing that will be vinegar would be 3/11, and we could write that as a fraction, that part.